WhatsApp is letting users hide their numbers and use usernames or handles instead. In the video for today, I'm going to show you how you could hide your number on WhatsApp and communicate with anybody else using your username only. This is one of the best updates from WhatsApp in 2026 because it was a long awaited feature that many other apps have already rolled out. But before we proceed further, this feature is just rolling out, so it may not be available for you at the moment. But if it is available for you, you could just check it out and you could set this up right now after this video itself. So the first thing is get hold of your phone, whatever it is, Android, Apple, not a problem, the same procedure almost. Open WhatsApp, and then once you do that, you click on the menu to the top right, and then you click on settings. For iPhone, it's going to be to the bottom. You click on the menu option and get to your settings for an iPhone. Okay, so once you're here, click on your profile name to the top, and then once you come to your profile, if you are eligible, you're going to see an option for updating a username. So if you see that option anywhere to the top or bottom, click on that option, select a username. Once you enter a valid username, WhatsApp will automatically check whether it is available. If it is available, you click on save and then you confirm your selection. And finally, when everything is set up, you wouldn't have to share your phone number anymore for WhatsApp. You could just share your username or your handle, and they can communicate with you that way. So if you are a person who's actually concerned about your phone number privacy or your phone number being misused and stuff like that, just go ahead and set this up if you have the feature available. If you have any further questions, please go ahead and send me an email, or you could even post a comment in the comment section below. Give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.